It's true that hand tools are sometimes better than power tools because they offer more precision, control, and safety, especially for delicate tasks. That's why we have gathered some of the hand tools that will work better than power tools for their specific task. At first, we have the Craftsman Surform shaver, a handy little tool that feels like a secret weapon for anyone tackling wood or plaster projects. At just over 7 inches long, this tool sports a curved 7¼ inch perforated steel blade that tears through the material on the pull stroke, spitting out shavings like a mini grater, perfect for smoothing rough edges or stripping old paint. The bright red polypropylene handle fits snugly in your hand, and its lightweight build around 0.3 pounds means you won't tire out using it. You'll love the side cutting edge for trimming tight spots, and the click-action blade swap makes maintenance a breeze. Overall, it's ideal for DIYers fixing furniture or prepping drywall. Just don't expect it to hog out huge chunks. It's more of a finesse player. Next up, here comes the Wera 8010B Comfort Ratchet. It's a well-built tool that will quickly become your favorite for working in tight spaces. It's a 3/8 inch drive ratchet, about 9 inches long, and weighs just under 3/4 pounds. This tool comes with an 80-tooth mechanism, which gives it a smooth 4.5-degree return angle. It means you have to spend less effort when turning bolts in cramped spots. The handle is designed for comfort, with a soft grip over a metal core so it feels good in your hand even when it's cold. The reversing lever lets you switch directions easily with a quick flick, and the ball lock holds sockets securely so there's no annoying wobble. It's perfect for bike repairs, car work, or any precision job. Yes, it's a bit pricey, but the quality is top-notch, and you'll appreciate it every time you use it. Klein Wide Range Transmission Grip. This is a tough, heavy-duty tool designed for serious jobs like stringing power lines and handling thick cables. Made from forged steel, it's built to last and weighs somewhere between 2 to 3 pounds, with a length of about 10 to 12 inches. The wide jaws can adjust from 0.2 to 0.8 inches, gripping everything from thin wires to thick transmission cables with a rock-solid hold. One of the best parts? It's spring-loaded so you can set it with one hand, making the job a lot easier. And once it's under tension, pulling thousands of pounds, it stays locked in place without slipping. This tool is a lifesaver for linemen and utility workers, but unless you're dealing with heavy-duty electrical work, it might be more than you need for a simple garage setup. You ever find a tiny tool that just works better than you expect? That's exactly what the STANLEY ceramic mini cutter is. A small but mighty little blade that makes everyday cutting tasks a breeze. It's about 4 to 5 inches long and weighs less than 1/10 pound, so it's super light but surprisingly sharp. The zirconia ceramic blade stays sharp 10 times longer than steel, effortlessly slicing through paper, cardboard, and thin materials. It has a fixed blade with a rounded tip, keeping things simple and safe, while the yellow and black textured grip makes it easy to hold without adding bulk. It's also rust-proof, so it lasts longer than metal cutters. Just don't expect it to handle thicker materials like heavy-duty cutters would. This one's all about precision. If you're ever dealing with stubborn nails, the Crescent Tools nail pullers are a true helper. These tools have a classic, simple design that gets the job done without hassle. They're about 8 to 10 inches long and weigh 1/2 to 3/4 pound, so they're easy to handle but sturdy enough to tackle tough nails. The curved claw digs under nail heads with ease, and the cushioned grip makes pulling nails less painful on your hands. Plus, the black oxide finish helps prevent rust, and the pivot point is designed to maximize leverage, making it almost effortless to pop nails out of wood or drywall. These pullers are perfect for demolition or reclaiming lumber, and while they're not flashy, they're reliable as heck when you need to get rid of a stubborn fastener. Want clean, beveled edges for your woods? Say hello to the ONKEL.J chamfer plane tool. It's a small hand tool, about 6 to 7 inches long, and weighs around 0.4 pound, making it easy to control. The sharp, adjustable steel blade is set in a lightweight frame, either aluminum or sturdy plastic, and it cuts wood at a standard 45-degree angle to create perfect chamfers for tabletops, frames, or any other detailed work. The depth of the blade is adjustable, giving you control over your cuts, and since it's hand-powered, you can feel each shave as you work. While it's a niche tool perfect for detail-oriented carpenters or hobbyists, it won't replace a full-size plane for larger jobs. For contractors who need to lift heavy objects without straining their backs, the iTOOLco All-Jack is a game-changer. This telescoping steel tool can stretch from 2 to 6 feet and lift up to 1,000 pounds, making it perfect for hoisting things like conduit racks or electrical panels. The foot pump is easy to use, as shown in the video with a panel rising smoothly. It weighs 20 to 25 pounds when fully assembled, but it's still portable when collapsed. The swappable heads let you grip or push whatever you need to move. It's built tough and practical for job sites, especially for electricians. However, unless you're working with industrial gear, this tool might be more muscle than the average DIYer needs. So, that's all? Thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed discovering some of the useful hand tools. If you want to stay updated on the newest releases, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you next time.